Hey guys, what's up? Um, Welcome back to another Roblox video. Yeah, we're playing another Roblox video. One thing, guys, I will be recording twice a day, so yeah, a lot of videos for you guys to watch. So, guys, don't get mad. Oh, and if you guys play Roblox, do not go on this game. That's big. I tried it. Nothing happened. So, let's see what game we should play. There's the guy who owned it. Yeah. What game? Okay. We could put my manual. Let's do speed one for today. Let's go. I need to fix this. But I have to keep an eye out on my time. There we go. Fixed it. So boom, 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 boom. Level 1 here I go. Front flip solo this time. Let's go. Speed 1 for. Guys, I'm really good at poker, so. First go, let's go. Level 2, I died. I died. I thought I died, but I didn't die. I didn't die. Oh! Yeah. I can't believe I made that. Oh, somebody died. I saw it. I got it on camera. I got it on camera. I got it on camera. Boom! First go again. I saw on camera, dude. You died. There we go. Boom. Let's go. Woo! I almost died there. Oh my goodness. Made it. Guys, let's check. Boom. Skip the block. Yeah, guys, I'm really good. I might be better than my friend Ethan. I might be better than him. He'd probably be watching this yo, I could beat up poker anytime. Again, no you can't. Have you not watched my video? Boy. Yeah. So, this proves I am good at poker. I ain't died once. That's like a 9 cat. 9. No, it sucks. They took the cards out. Stupid update. They had to do an update on this. I'm trying not to die. Oh yeah, this is like one level I'm like will be dying over and over again. Not this. Yeet. I think it's gold. That I can't remember what level it was, but wow. Ooh, lava! Yeah, this proves I am good at flipping poker. Like, some poker is easy, some poker is hard, and I almost died. Crap. I almost died. Now we're in the city. Oh crap. I think that. Boom, 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 boom. This. I keep on like jumping like too soon. I died once. I flippin' died once. So.
I don't know what that is, but that's yours.
Sorry guys, I just got a piece of metal chunked at me. That was like a green piece of metal that was chunked at me. I'm trying not to die. No! I jinxed it. I was trying to go from that block to that block. Jinxed it. Well, that what I get if I get a piece of metal chunked at me. I think I'm gonna make this video a little bit shorter. Okay, can I do it? Darn it! Okay, I'm gonna stop here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on next time. Goodbye.